What is going on, YouTube and my fellow faithful Let's Stack Metals community members? We are doing a little unboxing today. I do want to talk about silver and gold while we just undo these, and mainly because we have two unpackagings, and one of them is a gold, and one of them is silver. And the only reason I'm saying we have two is because I actually fell asleep on an app the other day. It's a bidding app, and a lot of you might know what app I'm talking about right now. And I made a $385 mistake falling asleep. And yeah, I am not impressed. My girlfriend was not impressed. And we're gonna open up this $385 mistake, and we are gonna see how it looks. And the reason I was even on there is I usually right before bed I'll go on there and I'll hit a couple giveaways on there, and they're 2 minute long giveaways, and I try to win some giveaways, just try my luck. Some people go to the casino, I try giveaways. Who doesn't like free stuff, especially whenever it contains usually free silver and free gold? Oh, okay. So we have this. Yeah, I woke up the next day and was at work, and I was going through everything, and I seen that I'd spent $385. I'm like, man, what? What of my bills was $385? That's insane. And lo and behold, before we fully dive in and see what was in the package, we need to shout out at Skleg for the first commenter. And if you didn't know and you're new to the page, if you're the first comment on the video, you will be shouted out in the next video. I have a couple people that I had missed, and they will be, trust me, I will be getting caught up. But yeah, that's what's going on. Sklegs, you are the first commenter. It was right here. This was $385, and that is actually very pretty. Let me pull this out for you guys. That is a 2010 Koala, 1/10 ounce, 4/9 fine. That is beautiful. They're $15 denomination on these, and that is the Queen. That is the Queen the Second, Elizabeth. Absolutely gorgeous coin. I mean, that is a proof. And the difference between, so like there's proof, there's a non-proof. Put them right next to each other. Can you tell the difference? If you can see the difference, go down in the comment section and let me know the difference. By granted, they're not the same coins, but yeah, wow. That is a beauty. But speaking of coins, silver and gold, have you guys noticed that gold today, as of 5/1/25, I don't know why I said 4, um, is $3,229.14. Isn't that crazy? It's dropping. And the gold to silver ratio right now, hold on, I want to scratch out my address. The other one I didn't because there was tape all over the package. And I don't know if you guys ever tried to put marker on tape, but it just kind of wipes right off. But as I was saying, is around 99, so a little bit under 100. And do you guys think that we're going to see, and this is just a crazy theory, we're going to see gold at one point just plummet? And that's why you're going to see the gold to silver ratio go back to a 60-1 for a second, and then silver eventually drop back down. causing it to oh wow. I am so glad I cut up at the top. And the reason I said I am so glad is because I did not know this was coming. A gold foil. That was nice of them. Oh, and look at this. I should have my freaking gloves on. The reflection on this thing has to be, because this thing is gorgeous. If I had the scale out, we'd be hitting it. We'd be putting it right on the scale. This is an 1879 Morgan dollar. Tell me this is not absolutely gorgeous. I mean, compared to this 1881, though, this 1881, I'd have to say the back definitely takes it for sure. Look at the breast feathers on this one, and then look at the breast feathers on this one. But if you flip this one around, although the reflection on this one, it's undeniable that 1881 is a BU for sure. Even if you flip this around, though, this one's even close to a BU as well. And that's what we're really after. And we don't want to pay more. Like, people say you should pay around $40 for these. If I'm getting BU, maybe, but I'm not paying 40. I did not pay $40 for this coin. I did not pay $40 for this coin. These I paid, and I granted these aren't as nice as they should be. But I got a whole tube of 1922s all the way up to 1924s, and I got a whole tube of them, of the peace dollars, and I only paid for each coin. It was like 25 or $24, and like I wish I had the receipt. I'll have to go back on my phone and look, but yeah, I didn't pay very much for those. These are BU condition. And I don't know if I have the slip, but I know I didn't pay $40 for this coin. Let me see. Was this the slip? If it doesn't say um $385, then this is the slip. I can get it out of the dang bag. Oh my goodness. Come on. But anyway, then you had silver sitting today at $32.62. So gold at $3,229. Nope, that is definitely the 385. Oh my goodness. Did I not get a slip? All right. So since I get a virtual receipt, I guess I didn't get a slip with this one. All right. Yeah, no, I know I didn't pay over $40 for a BU coin, and I won't. That's the thing. I can't see myself doing that, even though you can't call this 1879 BU. I mean, it has awesome reflection. Like you can see if you look behind, it is around by his nose. You can see this marker in there. It's just if you look at the breasts on it. But I do like to stack these. If you guys have been following the channel, I do stack Morgans. We have an 1879. We have an 1881. This is an 1881S. We need an 1880 here. We're going to do one of every year. And we're going to get that banged out by the end of the year, along with a tube of these. We already have 3 tubes of the American Silver Eagles. We stacked these pretty hard at the beginning of the year. We got 60 ounces of these, and we'll probably call it caps at that for these, unless the premiums come down. I mean, we got these for a pretty good deal, so I'm pretty happy with that. But we are gonna get a tube of these Britannias. While also stacking the whole Morgan collection. Under $40 a coin, too, mind you. You got to think, we have most of these coins, and we did that at 26. And they're not all BU. I wouldn't say this is, well, it has good feathers on the back, and the face is good, and you can see peace at the bottom, and $1. You can see everything. You can see all the detail. But it could definitely be better. So we'll eventually stack better coins with of the look at the back of that. That's absolutely gorgeous. Back of that is gorgeous. Yeah, we could eventually stack and do the whole collection of BU versions of those. But as I sit here and I just ramble on, we better capsule this. And people get so mad that I capsule these Morgan dollars. And I don't think they get mad. They don't understand why I do it. And eventually, I'm going to take this one out. And I probably should just do it on this stream as I sit here and talk to you right now. But I don't. Anywho, what are you guys stacking? If you're new to this channel and you haven't left a comment, what are you guys stacking? And also, if you are the first comment, you will get shouted out in the next video. And we are also, if you're a subscriber, if you're not a subscriber, and if you are a subscriber, thank you. I love all of you. But if you are not a subscriber, dang it, why was I even trying to do it like that? If you do subscribe, we do giveaways. And you just have to be a subscriber and maybe throw down a comment to be part of the giveaways. Look at that. Beautiful. And we do giveaways at 500, 1,000, 1,500, 2,000, 2,500. Probably do random giveaways in between it. We have endless giveaway. That's what I call it, because there is no end goal. As we get more and more and more subscribers and we create a bigger and bigger community for everybody to work together, we just keep giving away, giving away, giving away. That's just how that goes. Also, look at this 2 ouncer. I opened this up the other day and I thought it was gorgeous. But as I was saying, the giveaway. So there is no end goal. So as long as you're in there, you still have a chance at being that lucky person to take home silver, gold, maybe both at the same time. If you went and you seen my other reel, I don't have it sitting out, but there is a slab and gold that's getting given away at 5,000. We did another giveaway talk video at about 500, what we're giving away at 500. Like I said, I don't have any of the giveaway stuff sitting out, just what we were just doing today. And then eye candy for you guys to look at. Look at these right here. We'll be giving away gold backs at some point as well. Just don't know what subscriber we're going to be doing that at and how many we want to give away. Or we'll probably give a set away. You know, like a 1, 2, 5, 10, 25. We'll probably do something like that. It'll be really freaking neat. And you guys that don't have any will love it, having the chance at getting the opportunity to have them sent to you to your door without paying a penny. I mean, I would. I know I would. But yeah, no, that's all I really got for you guys today. Also, why down in the comment section, leave why you think gold's tanking, silver's kind of sitting there, and also, do you think we're gonna see the gold to silver ratio back to a 60-1, 50-1, because silver's gonna skyrocket, or because gold's gonna drop and silver's gonna sit stagnant where it's at right now? I've heard a couple different opinions. This video has gone on way too long already, or else I would sit here and give you my opinion. Also, if you haven't, hit the like button because it really helps the algorithm. And really, I mean, what does it hurt for you to hit the like button? And also, if you haven't already, didn't you just hear why you should smash that subscribe button? I mean, even if you don't like the content, you can at least smash that subscribe button to have an opportunity at the silver and the gold giveaways. Although I'd rather see people who actually stack silver and gold and like this channel win it, but you know, to teach your own. As I always say, I hope you guys have a good day. I mean, I might not always say that in every video, but I should. I really have no more for you. The Morgan, the gold. That's all we were unboxing today. My $385 mistake and my beautiful Morgan. So I hope you guys have a beautiful day. Let's Stack Metals is out. Peace.